मुझसे पहले मेरे माइक की एंट्री हुई. थोड़ा रेंज ऑफ मोशन कम है, हाथ नहीं हिला सकती मैं. ओके, वेरी सरप्राइजिंग इजंट इट दिस ड्रेस. सो मैंने बहुत कुछ रिव्यू किया अपने चैनल पे. लाइक जो भी मेरे घर में आता है मैं रिव्यू कर देती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं कंटेंट के नाम पे कुछ भी करूँगी. सो like one of the best ones include watches and all, but today I've hit a new low. But before we get into that, this doesn't seem that fancy, so let's just, yep. And also the music, no, we need something which, you know, like जो restaurants में नहीं बजता formality वाला jazz music, that. Yep. Now we are ready to start. Alright. I am reviewing popcorn. That's right, popcorn. But the thing about that is it's gourmet popcorn, not gourmet. It's gourmet. You have to say it with an accent. Like ये वीडियो इतनी फैंसी है ना कि अगर मुझे फ्रेंच आती तो मैं फ्रेंच बोलती, but I don't know French. So we're reviewing gourmet popcorn. Before we get into the actual popcorn and everything, let's first talk about what is gourmet. So gourmet, as defined by Wikipedia, is a cultural idea associated with the culinary arts of fine food and drink or hot cuisine, which is characterized by their high level of refined and elaborate food preparation techniques and displays of balanced meals that have an aesthetically pleasing presentation of several contrasting often quite rich courses. Wow, I learnt all that. I'm not reading it off of Wikipedia, totally not. So to sum it up, let's just say that gourmet is a way of saying that you paid extra for your meal so that it looks better than you do on your best days. And I'd say this is one of my best days. So this popcorn is definitely going to look better than me. We'll see about the taste. Okay, so this is the actual popcorn, and when I'm sitting on the table it looks bigger than me, but not going to lie, it is actually quite humongous. So this popcorn, this next to my face, this is from PVR and specifically 4700 BC. Now, you know, I was so intrigued by the name because why would you name it this? It's not related to popcorn in any way, but it is. So why is it named 4700 BC? It's named that because the first reminiscence or like evidence of popcorn was found in caves in Peru, which was almost 6700 years ago in 4700 BC. So here is the whole thing. I have this which has 3 flavors. First one is the Hawaiian barbecue cheese popcorn, then the Himalayan salt caramel, and the nutty tuxedo choco popcorn. Okay. Whoa. Right. This, the first one is the nutty tuxedo. I was really intrigued by that. Okay. This is nutty tuxedo chocolate popcorn. Okay, wow. The tins are so nice. You know, this is what the good thing is about this gourmet popcorn, is that like even after you finish it, it's not like a packet or something, so you still get something to keep, you know. Like this is a good tin, guys. It looks good. It doesn't look obnoxious. It looks classy, right? Yeah. Ooh, that actually looks like really good. That is so nice. Okay, let me just open the whole thing. I'm gonna lick the chocolate off of this later. Camera के सामने नहीं करते ऐसी चीजें. I can't move my hand. I am not a huge fan of nuts in chocolates or ice cream, but I am open to it. It's stuck in my teeth. If someone gave this to you blindfolded, or like if I was blindfolded, I wouldn't know that this is popcorn. This does not have, okay, kind of the texture, yes, maybe, but it doesn't taste like popcorn unless like the aftertaste is a little salty, which is good, which I like. Reminds you that it's popcorn, but it's so good. It is so good. And you know, like the normal caramel popcorns or things you get, all of them are not completely coated. Like some of them are more flavorful than the others, but look at this tin. All of them look, except like the chocolate part, but come on, the glazing on all of them, that's so uniform. This is why it's gourmet. I get it now. I really get it. Let's just see if it looks better than me. We have the same skin tone. We are like siblings. The thing about this video is that I really don't want to open all of these tins at once just in case they go bad. So I'm gonna film these in like intervals. So this is like the first part, right? The first day. Now when this tin is almost over, I'll open another one. I'll give you a proper review. The nutty choco, right? It tastes like Ferrero Rocher. Because come on, सबसे पहले तो दिमाग में नट और चॉकलेट सुन के Ferrero Rocher ही आता है. It is very similar to that, but it's also salty because it's popcorn. So I don't know where I'm going with this review. I would say I'm just like so surprised. I didn't know it would taste this good. It's very flavorful. I can still taste it in my mouth. And I feel like it's a good amount of popcorn. I don't think I can finish this in one sitting. It's a good amount. And other than that, I feel like they could have a bit more chocolate because ऊपर से देखने से इतना लग नहीं रहा है. Rating it out of 10, I would definitely give this a solid 8.4. 8.6 maybe. It's really good. Taste तो बता दिया है भाई. Taste तो सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़. But what makes a product? Why is it appealing? Because of the packaging. You see this? It's ringing in my ear. The packaging is what makes a product. And the packaging is like very good, honestly. It's not obnoxious, as I said. I like collecting tin ka things, like Fossil ke wo tin ke boxes I've mentioned before, and Impact Mint ke tin ke boxes. All of them are so visually appealing. They're matte, they have a uniform pattern, they have like minimalistic font. And this is really like, this is my cup of tea, dude. This is so nice. Packaging I would definitely like, gourmet वाली feel तो आ रही है. अगर ये ज़्यादा colourful या कुछ कर देते तो gourmet नहीं लगता. Packaging के हिसाब से I'd give this like 8 on 10. Yeah, 8 on 10. But the whole thing, yeah, that's like a 8.7. I really like this box. I think it's been 2 weeks since I opened this, and it's over now. And they were so sweet. भाई इतने smell से ही ना इतना मीठे थे ये. So the next one I'm going to open is the Hawaiian barbecue cheese popcorn. Okay, so this is the Hawaiian barbecue cheese flavor, and I think this is the only savory one because the first one was the nutty tuxedo and the second one is the Himalayan salt caramel. तो वो भी थोड़ा sweet ही होगा. I think this is the only savory one, so I'm really looking forward to this. Actually क्या हुआ ना, एक दिन मेरे सपने में आया कि मैंने ये खाए और मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. हाँ, और मुझे वो सपना याद भी था उठने के बाद. So that's why like मेरी expectations तो already बहुत high हो चुकी हैं मेरे subconscious की वजह से. Okay. हाँ, अब ये चुपचुपा हो गया. ओह, चीज़ की इतनी अच्छी स्मेल आ रही है ना यार. Yes. Exactly what I tasted in my dream. I am such a genius. Okay, this is so good. You know the name barbecue cheese? You can taste the smoke. It's so good. This is gourmet. This is definitely gourmet. You cannot get this in normal popcorn, man. I can finish this whole thing in one sitting. Like ये इतना मीठा था कि मैं नहीं कर सकती थी genuinely. But this is so good. I will miss this so much when it gets over. No. It's so good that I cannot stop eating. But I want to so that this doesn't get over quick. मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई हिमालयन सॉल्ट कैरेमल जैसा भी हो. ये बेस्ट है भाई. This is so good. You know how most things when they are like cheese flavored, they are very artificial cheese and they don't even taste good most of the time. This is not that. The cheese is so subtle and so is the smokiness. It's so good. 10 on 10. 10 on 10, I swear. First of all, this flavor is such a good flavor to use in the form of a popcorn because a popcorn is so light and so light and airy that it's very, I don't know, okay, I'm not a food critic. I just know that it goes well with the popcorn form. अगर ये like कोई मखाना flavored होता है ऐसा, it wouldn't have tasted this good, it wouldn't have felt this good. But this does because it's a popcorn. As soon as you take a bite, you taste the smokiness of the barbecue. and then you feel the punch of the cheese flavor, and it all just ends on this like subtle popcorn flavor. You know how tasteless popcorn is? Not as an like just plain popcorn, that flavor, it ends on that. It's a journey. I feel so profound. Literally one day later, मैंने एक दिन में ही खत्म कर दिया ये. I knew it. They were so good. मैंने मतलब रात तक भी नहीं लास्ट की ये फिल्मिंग के बाद ही खत्म. Anyways, third flavor, Himalayan salt caramel. ये ड्रेस में कुछ होता ही नहीं है. Okay, last in. Finally. Okay, so this was the flavor that I was looking forward the most to, and it's over now. I'm not a huge fan of caramel, but it's not like I completely don't ever want to have it also. Like I'm open to it. But as far as I've heard, any like chocolate or anything sweet with kind of saltiness is really good, as far as I've heard. So, all right. Ooh, that smells nice. Okay. Okay, so after this experience, I'm not a huge fan of sweet popcorn, but I love like savory flavored popcorn. So again, this is definitely not a 10 out of 10. It's like a 6.7 out of 10. The first thing that you taste is obviously the sweetness, and that is very similar to the Nutty Tuxedo, very similar. But out of these two, I would definitely prefer this over the Nutty Tuxedo. That was way too sweet. Overall, would I recommend anyone buy this? Yes, you get bragging rights. You can say that you've had gourmet popcorn. It's a good experience, honestly. Like, मैं जितना भी describe कर लूँ ना, it's not going to come close to when you actually taste it and experience it. It's a very good thing. And also, like, this is beautiful, okay? All of these containers and tins, they're very pretty. So the combined price of this whole thing with all these three flavors is $6.99, and that makes it like $2.33 per tin. I'm very good at maths. This is like, if you compare it to the regular PBR popcorn, the smallest size that you can get is like 200. This is $2.33 per tin, but it's also so much more flavor and it's gourmet, right? So I don't think it's too pricey compared to like actual PBR pop. I mean, like, okay, normal Act 2 के popcorn से compare करोगे जो buttered salted आता है उससे तो ज़्यादा ही लगेगा ना. But these flavors are much more complex. Right now on Amazon, it's retailing for a bit cheaper for 600. That makes it 200 per tin. तो मतलब अब तो ये same price ही हो गया वो PBR वाले से. So if you want to get it, I think this is the best time to get it. Well, actually, you know, I take a lot of time to edit my videos. So on the day of filming, it was 600. Just go on Amazon and check, guys. I'm so sorry what the price is. But I'd say just get it from Amazon. Usually कुछ ना कुछ उनका discount चलता ही रहता है. Anyways, that was 4700 BC's gourmet popcorn. And I hope you like the review. Stay tuned for more, and thank you so much for watching.